the granddaddy of them all, the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus. I have both in my possession. Now this is the US model, unlocked by Samsung, Galaxy S9, 4 gigs of RAM, Galaxy S9 Plus, 6 gigs of RAM. So let's go ahead and unbox these two. I'm gonna go ahead and do the Plus model first. S9 Plus on the front of the box here, or does it say iPhone 6s? Just kidding. All bad jokes aside. On the back of the box, you can pause the video and read that for yourself. And that's pretty much it. So let's slide it out, put this away, and let's open the box and get ready for it. Oh, where's the phone? I guess this is where you get all the information and stuff. So inside we have the SIM ejector tool, and here just some quick reference guides and all this very extremely important stuff. And this is the device. Very nice. Look at that. Woo! Nice and dark. This is obviously the black model. Once you go black, you ain't going back. Look at that. Very nice. All right, now real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and just open the smaller S9. And this is the S9. Got the blue one. In the box, you are getting the Samsung fast charger, adaptive fast charging. So you can see basically the same one they've been coming out with for the past few years. Although now it's black, it was white previously. Get a little USB connector here, your regular USB to USB Type-C to help you transfer your stuff if you have an older phone. And in here, obviously you get the charging cable. Let's see. Tuned by AKG headphones or earbuds, whatever you want to call these. Very nice. I use these daily and they sound pretty good. I like it. And here, these are your extra ear tips. These are the two phones. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Starting Android on both. Whoa, hi there. Start, okay, English. Okay, this is the Batcave is my Wi-Fi. Shout out to Two Nuts, connected to my Wi-Fi. Next, just agree to this. Checking for updates may take a minute or two. Just a sec, checking info, and we are in. Here we go. All right, so let me sign in on both. Actually, I'll just sign in on the Plus, put the regular S9 to the side. So I'm just gonna do this real fast. And we are in! Hearing the usual Samsung noises, which is good. Love that. Do this later. And here we go. We're basically in the device now. So you can see, there's Bixby Home, which I'm gonna go ahead and just disable for now because I don't really care for Bixby at the moment. So let's go ahead and let's go into settings real fast and go to About Phone. I'm gonna go ahead and go to, let's see, where's the software information, and tap the build number a bunch of times. Turn on developer options, go back twice, and let's see, there's dev options. And I do this to every Android phone. Just decrease the animation scales to 0.5x to make the phone feel like it's running that much faster. Android version 8.0, Samsung Experience 9.0. Here's the Oreo Easter egg. Who doesn't love Oreos? Who doesn't love calamari? There you go. Device maintenance, and let's go to storage right now. And looks like we have 14.4 gigabytes used out of the available 64. So what is that, around a little less than 50 gigs? Give you an idea of how much storage space you have. Fresh, brand new, out of the box. And one thing I almost forgot. I forgot to take the plastic off. Let's do that right now. Don't need this. Take this IMEI BS off and just put this to the side right here. Nice and butt naked black Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, gotta do the honors on the smaller phone too. So here's the regular Galaxy S9. Comparing the two from the front, obviously the S9 is a little bit smaller, and from the back, there we go, this is the blue model. So color difference there. Just comparing the phone real fast to other devices. This is the Google Pixel 2 XL from the front, from the back, and from the side. The iPhone 10 from the back, from the front, from the sides. There you go. See, what else do I got? LG V30, which Samsung is saying they're not competitors with LG anymore. From the front, from the back, and from the sides. There you go. Last year's Galaxy S8 Plus, I do have it skinned from the back, from the front, so you can see very similar. Can barely tell them apart. From the sides, actually I'll do it like this so you can see the same side. And there is a difference on the frame now. Galaxy S9 Plus, this is a matte finish on the frame, whereas S8 Plus and the S8, it's a gloss finish on the black. Here's the Razer phone, okay? Back, front, Razer phone, best front-facing speakers on the market. And from the side, 5T, front, the back. I do have the 5T in the carbon fiber case. Sides, let's see, and XZP, why not? Front, back, and the sides. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you want me to do with these two phones. Speed tests, durability tests, camera test comparisons, etc. The Galaxy S9 Plus, it's here boys, I got it in my possession. Thanks for watching. Peace out.